Alright, so in this part of the course, I just want to show you how we can maybe make some minor touch-ups to the store just to make it look a lot better. So click Online Store, click on this button, click on Edit Default Theme Content. Now here I want you to search up Powered, just like that. See where it says Powered by Shopify? Click here and literally just put a space, just a space, and then it should go blank. So now save it. Okay, perfect, we're good there. Now come back to Online Store, click here again, click Edit Code. So we're just going to make some minor changes with the coding on the store. All right, so in this section, search up base. You should see this here, come up base.css. Click here and then scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now, just right here under this, at the very bottom, you're going to paste this code right here. So you're going to be pasting this entire code right here. And you're probably wondering, where am I going to get this code from? Don't worry, go back inside the course. In the same section where this video is, underneath, you're going to see where it says code for store. Click there and then just go ahead and copy it, paste it in, click save. All right, once you do that now, let's go back to our store and see if it got removed. Perfect, as you can see now, it's gone. So we're all done for that. Now you can just exit out here. Now come back to your online store, customize. Now one thing I don't like is how on desktop you can see this purple part right here. I prefer if this is just all one page. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click add section, then I'm going to click rich text. And for the rich text, I'm going to bring it back all the way up just underneath this section here. And I'm going to remove all the text here. Remove this too, and then remove this button label. Okay, so now it's just this like little blank spot. Now I'm going to change the scheme to make it the same color as the top here, which is just white. All right, now let's open it up. All right, perfect. Now at least this page is on its own, separate from this. I think it just looks a lot better. Now one more thing we're going to do here, go to theme settings, click colors, and so if you notice, if you click here on resources, this background's like a little bit blue. I don't really like that, so we're going to fix it. See how you clicked on it? If you scroll down, it should show you the scheme. So let's just go with scheme 2 color. Let's just make sure it updates. There you go. That looks a lot better in my opinion. All right, now you can just review your website, see if maybe you need to add any touch-ups, but if you think everything looks good, which I think it does, then you can just go ahead and save it. And let's exit out now. And let's just view our online store. All right, as you can see, I think it looks great. We removed everything and we fixed it up, so I'm really happy with it. Now, the next part of the course, I'm going to share with you how you can get a domain, which basically is this up here. So basically your URL for your store, you want to change that, make it more professional.